As you can see, this is about 16 seconds long, give or take. And I'm going to show you a couple of things about when clips start and end. So here we have, I think it's pretty obvious that the area that is in bold color is where the video starts and ends. You can change when it starts and ends by, if you go to the very end, dragging the endpoints. At this point the grayed out area will not be played. It's still there, but if there's any video or audio you will not be able to see it or hear it. As soon as we get to solid block, can you see the video appears. So that is one way of, say you were trying to line up kind of the endpoints of a song. Obviously this is not going to be, but if you want the audio to kind of stop, and this will stop the audio and the video as soon as it goes grey, so you just want to do that. This is important, like if you don't want to use the very beginning of a clip, say for example, you just want to start it halfway through. So yeah, that's that. I'm also going to show you real quick how to make text. Click up on the T, click anywhere in the window and start writing. Now, as you can see here, we have the characters tab, and if I scroll this little bar here, can you see before we had effects and presets, characters tab is here, and this, if I select my arrow again, select my layer, we have the ever popular Arial font selected, and we can change the color, and if we twirl down, say for example the transform, we can scale this up and move it around. It's just basic text, and if you've used a video program before, you know, it can get complicated if you wanted to, but that's how you make text. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to make effects. Now this is probably the most exciting part of the program, probably the part that most of you were hoping me to get at from the start, but I think we needed to build a foundation of how everything works first. I'm going to select the clip that I want to, it's not imperative that you select it. If you go to effects and presets, we're going to choose a blur, so if you move down to blur and sharpen, you can also go effect. If you want to use this menu, these are all grayed out right now, you would have to select the layer, and then can you see all the things that you can apply to it will be in black, but I'm going to be doing it this way because basically if you know what you're looking for you can type it in and find it faster. But, I'm going to twirl down blur and just